So I've created milestones and goals throughout my journey. It's every 5 pounds basically, just because I lose weight so slow, as you can tell. So 185 was my first milestone, and I am rewarding myself with a Hydrate Spark 3. I ordered it off Amazon yesterday, and it should be coming on Tuesday, so I'm excited. I'll be using that to obviously help track my water, because that is something that I'm really keeping track of. Water is definitely something I've noticed that's made a difference this time when I've been losing weight. I don't know the science behind it, but it has helped me lose weight. Maybe it's flushing all the toxins, fat out of my body, but it definitely helps. So tip for anyone out there on their own weight loss journey, definitely make sure you drink your water. Now, I never drink water, so my goal isn't that large. Right now, my goal has been for the last 2 months to drink at least 48 ounces of water every day. I'm gonna try to up that another 8 ounces in March, so I'll try to drink, 52 ounces, right? 40, no, that's not right. Math is hard. 48 ounces right now, plus 8 is 56 ounces of water. So in March, that's what I'm going to try to drink every single day. Say hi, Luna. Say hi, Luna. All right. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Heather, and my channel is mainly about my glow up, specifically right now my weight loss. I have been overweight pretty much my entire adult life. What better time than now to go at it, do the thing, and finally lose the weight. So today I'm gonna go over week 4. If you have not watched my last video going over week 3, I lost 1.8 pounds last week, and I kind of talk about how I did that. So this week went pretty well, I think. Some days were better than others. I did struggle a little bit with cravings, and I think that having my period had a lot to do with that, obviously. But I did stay on track for the most part. Tuesday was a coworker's 60th birthday, and we had a little get together. They had cupcakes. It started out well, and I went to go wish her a happy birthday, and all I did was look at the cupcakes. I thought, no, I don't need one. I brought my own snack, so I'm just gonna eat that. And it went well until they decided to put the leftovers in the break room, and it was staring at me. I had to have one, and I had one. I should have just let myself have one in the first place, obviously, but it is what it is. I got right back on track. I did not let that be an excuse to binge the rest of the week, and I did go over my calories, about 200 calories that day, which in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't make or break my weight loss, so I didn't sit on it and dwell on it. I just moved on. Another thing that I wanted to touch on was I tend to have a hard time after work. That seems to be the hardest time for me. Driving home after work, I am struggling. I am talking to myself, trying to talk myself out of stopping somewhere or ordering DoorDash and sitting on the couch and eating, because that's what I did a lot of the time when I wasn't feeling good, when I was bored, when I was tired, when I was happy, any sort of emotion. That's basically what I did after work. So even though I have been losing weight, I still struggle every day. One thing I will say that really helps me, when I get home, I take Luna outside right away and we go for a walk. I don't even let myself sit down for even a minute, because if I do that, that's going to turn into 5 minutes, 10 minutes the rest of the night. And yes, when we start walking, I think, oh, I don't want to do this. This is going to take so long, and we have so long to go, when in reality, it's only like 25, 30-minute walk. But in my head, I'm thinking, we have so much further to go, and I don't want to keep going. Usually around the middle of the walk is when I start turning around and I'm feeling better. And then when I get home, I've got my second wind and I go upstairs and I work out. So now I want to go over what I ate this week. For breakfast, I had lemon honey overnight oats. This was a Tone It Up recipe. I think if you just go to their website and search for lemon honey overnight oats, you'll be able to find it. For snacks, I had a hard-boiled egg, and I also had kind of a not so healthy snack, Trader Joe's pretzels with queso. For lunches and dinners, I had Skinny Taste Greek mac and cheese and Skinny Taste pressure cooker pozole. I did not make it in my Instant Pot. I made it on the stove and I think it turned out fine. So as an aside, I just wanted to mention that I know my meals aren't the healthiest, and there's a reason for that. So in the past, I've always tried to overhaul my diet all at once. Not eat anything off plan, no fried foods, no chocolate, no nothing. And that just led me to binge every single week, or even almost every single day. So obviously that hasn't worked for me. Eventually, I want to get to a point where I'm eating a lot healthier and I'm eating more vegetables and fruits and all of that. But right now, I need to concentrate on eating under calories. If that means my food isn't as healthy, I'm okay with that. I'm still losing weight. It might be a little slow, but I'm still losing weight and I'm not gaining weight like I have in the past. Now we'll go over workouts. So this week was the second week of the Step Lovers rotation by Kathy Friedrich. Monday I was supposed to do IMAX 3. However, IMAX 3 is probably the hardest step workout she has. I was not ready for that, so I told myself, you know what, I'm just gonna do IMAX 4. It's not as difficult, it's low impact, so I'm gonna do it again. Tuesday was PHA 2. It was another full body workout. What it does is it alternates between upper and lower body moves. Wednesday again was step sync, so every single week in the series I do step sync on Wednesday. Thursday was a rest day. Friday I did a DVD from 4-Day Split, which was lower intensity step. This workout was okay. It wasn't my favorite step workout of hers. However, this was the first time I've done this workout, so that kept it interesting at least. Saturday I did STS Total Body, which was obviously a total body workout, and it was 67 minutes. And let me just tell you, this workout made me extremely tired. I went to bed at about 9:30 on Saturday night and I was out. And I was pretty sore on Sunday as well. Sunday was Kathy's second Party Rockin' Step DVD. I did not do the whole workout because I actually took Luna for a long walk that day. We took a different route and it ended up being about an hour walk, so I was kind of tired when I got back. So I just did a pre-mix, which was a shorter workout. It was about 35 minutes versus an hour. And now for the moment I'm sure you've all been waiting for, my weigh-in. So I lost 0.8 pounds this week. I'm not sure how I feel about that, to be honest. I feel like I stayed on track pretty well, and to only see a 0.8 pound loss, it was a little disappointing. I wanted to see a little bit bigger loss than that. However, I do see why possibly I didn't lose as much. It could be the pozole. It had hominy or corn in it, which obviously isn't the best weight loss food. And it had quite a bit of sodium in it. Also, the pretzel for snacks, it wasn't the healthiest either. But it is still a loss, and I'm still grateful for a loss rather than staying the same or gaining. Another thing I wanted to do today is it's a new month, so that means new measurements. Honestly, I don't see much of a difference in these side-by-sides, but I did lose overall inches throughout my body and 4 pounds in February. Now I quickly want to go over some goals for March. So one goal this month is to up my water intake to 56 ounces. The past 2 months I've been working towards 48 ounces, so now I want to up that to 56 ounces. Another goal is, again, this month to stay below 1,500 calories a day, with the exception of Saturdays, obviously, because I let myself eat what I want within reason on Saturdays. Another goal is to continue along the step rotation that I'm doing. I've got 2 more weeks to do, and then after that I want to start a new rotation that she has in her Step Boss series. It's called the Light and Step Boss series, so it basically combines her Light series and her Step Boss series. And my last goal is to lose 5 pounds. So far this year, I have lost 3.2 pounds in January and 4 pounds in February, which means I've lost a total of 7.2 pounds. I would like to get down another 5 pounds in March. I do want to get to my next milestone of 180 pounds for sure, because that means I get to buy myself a new pair of workout shoes. My reward for 180 pounds is going to be new workout shoes. I really need new workout shoes for my step workouts. The shoes that I'm using right now, they hurt my feet when I'm doing step, so I definitely need some better shoes that are geared towards step workouts or any sort of aerobic workouts. So that's all I have for you today. Another successful week, and I'm excited to see what next week brings. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you will get notified every time I upload a video. I do upload every Friday at noon. Thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye!